Hi, my name is Yasmin Thakur and today I am going to teach surface area and volume of the shapes. So what is surface area? So surface area is the amount of space covering outside the solid object or a 3D shape. Okay. So for finding of this surface area, we have to have a 3D object. So what is 3D object? Square? No. Rectangle? No. Triangle? No. Circle? No. These are all 2D object, 2D shapes. Okay. So for 3D object, what are the 3D objects? The 3D objects are cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, cone, and cylinder. Okay. So these are the 8 3D surface. So let us now see the difference of the 2D shape and the 3D shape. So this is a 2D shape because it is a flat shape. It is a flat shape. It has no 3D dimensional object like this is a square. This is a square. It has 3-dimensional. It from any side you can see. You can see that there is a shape that can be seen and that can be touched like this. Okay. So a flat object is a 2D object. So if a 2D object is there, so we have to find out the area and the perimeter. So the area of a 2D shape, the area of a square. The area of a square is A square. A square means why? Because this side and this side, all sides are same. So A into A is A square. So for perimeter, we have to make out A plus A plus A plus A means 4A. 4A. Okay. So 4A, but the total surface area. So what are the total surface area of a cube? So the total surface of a cube is, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. So it has got 6 sides. So the total surface area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6A square. 6A. Okay. So it will be 6S square. Now the curved area. What are the curved area? The curved area surface are the surface we have to exclude the top part and the bottom part. After excluding the top part and the bottom part, so this part and this part will be excluded. This part will be and this part will be excluded. So how many sides are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So it will be 4A square. Okay. Now the volume. So what will be the volume of a cube? The volume of a cube is side into side into side. Means length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. So in cuboid, length, breadth and the height all are same. So we will be taking as S into S into S is equal to S cube is equal to S cube. Now let us see about a rectangle. So in this area of a rectangle, what are the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is length into breadth, n into d. So d into breadth. And what will be the perimeter of a rectangle? So the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into L plus D. 2 into L plus D means two sides of length and two sides of breadth is a rectangle. Now this is a three-dimensional object. This is a rectangle, it is a three-dimensional object. From every part it is covered. So it has also 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side is little bit narrow, this side is wide and this side are narrower. So we have to have length, breadth and the height. So 2 into length breadth plus length height plus breadth and height is the total surface area of a rectangle. Now the curved surface area of a rectangle. So the curved surface of a rectangle will be 2h will be in common, L plus B. Now the volume of a rectangle, cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So rectangle, cuboid. So difference between rectangle and a cuboid is rectangle has area, cuboid has total surface area. Rectangle has perimeter, cuboid has common curved surface area and volume because it occupies space within and it does not occupy space within. Okay. Now let's go to the triangle. Now, what is the difference between a triangle and a cone? The triangle and a cone. The flat, the flat object, the flat shape is a triangle. And when we are adding volume in it, it is becoming a cone. It is becoming a cone, so it is having a three-dimensional object. You have seen a birthday cake, it is a cone. You have seen ice cream, it is a cone. Okay, so now triangle. What is a triangle? The area of a triangle is half into breadth into height. So what is the breadth? This is the breadth and this is the height. Now what is the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to side 1, side 2, then side 3. So S1 plus S2 plus S3. So perimeter of a triangle is S1 plus S2 plus S3. Now what is the total surface area of a cone? The total surface area of a cone. So first we have to take out the radius because over here it is circle. Over here it is a circle. And then we have to take out the height. And here it will be a line. So the total surface area is pi r square plus pi r n. So pi r square. So the pi r is common. So pi r over here r plus n. So r plus as L is equal to total surface area of a cone. What are the curved surface area? The curved surface area is pi RL. Why you know? Why? Because we are excluding this circle part. We are excluding the circle part, so the area of a circle is pi r, right? So pi rl is the curved surface area of a cone that is hollow. That is hollow. It is not covered. Okay. Now the volume. What is the volume of a cone is? The volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. So this is the volume of a cone. Now let us go to the circle. So let us know what is the difference between a circle and a sphere. So difference between a circle and a sphere is circle is a 2D object and sphere is a three-dimensional object. So can you tell me the example of curved surface, of a sphere? Yes, our earth. Our earth is sphere in shape, right? So surface, this is a circle. The circle is flat, that's why the line is straight. Over here the sphere is curved. So we have a little bit of curved line over here and it is a radius. So now the area of a circle is pi r square and the perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Now the total surface area and the curved surface area, because it does not have any hollow thing, it is intact, it is round in shape. Where is the cut out of my board? Maybe it has gone away. Okay. So the total surface area of a sphere is pi r square, 4 pi r square. And the volume, why 4? Because 4 times of a circle becomes one sphere. 4 times of a circle becomes one sphere, like in square. 6 times of a square makes one cube, right? 6 times of a rectangle makes one rectangle. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, subsequently, if we go through and take out a hemisphere. This is the hemisphere. Means half of the circle. Half of the circle. It is also known as semicircle type. But semicircle is the 2D shape and hemisphere is the 3D shape. So the total surface area of a sphere below with the covering is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 pi r square. Now, when the hemisphere is hollow inside, what will be the curved surface area? The curved surface area will be 2 pi square. 2 pi square because inside the circle is missing. Okay. What is the volume of a hemisphere? The volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, likewise, we can go for a cylinder shape. Cylinder shape is it is the combination of a rectangle and two circle. It is the combination of a rectangle and two circle. First circle over here, second circle over here. Two circle plus a rectangular object, right? So the total surface area. The total surface area means radius, height, and length. So the total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So 2 r pi r into r plus h. So now if we exclude this part and this part, if we exclude this part, what will be the formula? Means the curved surface area. The curved surface area will only be this, not this, because this and this we are excluding. That's why it is 2 pi r square, because the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r and the area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r square plus pi r square. 1 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square. So this we are excluding it out. So it will be 2 pi r h. And now the volume. The volume is the inside portion of the cylinder. The volume is pi r square h. So this is the volume of a cylinder. So what we have learned today? We have learned the hemisphere. We have learned sphere. We have learned cone. We have learned square. Okay. So we hope you. Total surface area is 6a square. For a curved surface area, 4a square, and volume is equal to s cube. For a sphere, total surface area or curved surface area is 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And for cylinder, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So the common will be 2 pi r, and the valuation of 2 pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 2 pi r is r plus h. So curved surface area 2 pi r h, and volume is equal to pi r square h. The total surface area of a hemisphere. The total surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Now curved surface area 2 pi r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now let us come to the cone. Total surface area is pi r square plus pi r l, pi r into r plus l. So pi, I have said you what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. So CSA, curved surface area, is pi r l, and volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is for today. Thank you.